Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to design the American flag using CSS and HTML. Let's go and look for the flag first. Open this website and then look for American flag. Yes, as we now have found the flag, let's now create a new folder on the desktop and start working on our project. Here's the folder, name it US flag. Open your VS Code editor and click on new and type index.html to create the file to start with. Then into the file type HTML5, then choose the second one and click, and they will give you the code to start with. Okay, then go back to the website. I have a very good extension called ColorZilla. This one is very good at picking colors from any website. I go to the website, I open the extension, you can install it. Then I will select the first color. The color is now copied in the clipboard so that I can now paste it in my project. Go back to your project, type style. They will give you this opening and closing tags for styling. I'm using my styles inside the HTML file. I don't want to use it outside because I want everything to be on the same page so that I can show you what I'm doing. First of all, we have to set up everything we need for our project, like colors, width, height, everything we need to store this in the root. As you have copied the value of LED, we just paste it and then go to the next. We go and select, we do blue, and then go back to the website and select the blue color and paste it. White color, white is always this value FFF, then that's a white color. We also need the number of strips, those lines, red and white lines. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. We have to write here on the file strips equal to 13. Yeah, we also need the height. We need a height. We need a flag to have some height. So what the height, I will give it 650 pixels, and I will give it a width of, let's say 1200 pixels. Okay, our flag, we need a wrapper or a container. Let's call it flag. That's a div. It's a div, and this div will be the main wrapper of the flag. Inside this flag, there must be stars and strips. So we need also to create a wrapper for the stars. That is called stars container. Okay, that's another div. This is a child. We need to put this indentation. So we need to also add another layer for a star. That's a star. So let's see if we can create a flag div. Flag. And then background color. Let's put a val white. Let's put a white color. Let's put white as we have defined it here. They proposed us to use the color, so I picked the white color, and I will have to do the same for the other three style container. I will use to stars container. And then also the star, orange star. Okay, for the star container, as the star on the flag is white, I will leave it as white. As the stars container is blue, I will put a blue here. And let's use red here, but they need also to have some width and height to be able to be viewed. As they have 0 width, 0 height, we cannot see them. Let's go to our flag folder. Yes, the file is already there. Open it. It's opened, but there is nothing to be displayed. It's empty. Add some text here in the style, like style, and refresh here. We see the star. Add here in the style container, and here in the flag we see, we refresh, If we refresh, voila, you see the height. Now the style is white. You cannot see because it's white and the background is white. The style container is blue and the flag is LED. You can see. We need to add the height. Let's give the flag height to be the variable height. Let us give it a width of variable width. Position as absolute, and give it display flex, as the elements are, just use a flex direction as current. And then if we refresh here, we see that the flag is already here, the container of the flag. To center it, we use the body. We call the body use of display as flex direction will be column, and then we use orange items in the center. Let's use a background now as background color as black, and then go and refresh. You see it's now in the middle, and then background is black. Let's see now what to do with the stars container. This is a small container. Display need to be flex, column, justify content to be center. So when you look at the stars container is on the half of the height of the flag. So the height of the small container will be at the calc to calculate the val of the height over 2, like the value over 2. So now let's go and check if we have already specified the, yeah, you see the height is a half. Let's remove the text, we remove the text and then save and then refresh. You see we need to set the width of the stars container. The width should be, let's use 450 pixels. Yes, our style is already a div. Let's give it a width 50 pixels and a height of 50 pixels to 50 pixels. Yes, let's save and go and see what we have there. There we have our style. Okay, so people are not new at CSS know how to do clip path. Here's the code. Those who don't know how to make a clip path, there is a video here. You can go and check the video. Let's check if we have already our style. Refresh. We have a style already. For me, the style is a little bit bigger. Let's put 30 and 30 here. Save and go and see. Okay, fine. How many stars do I have per row? Every row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Not every line, but the first one has 6 because the second one doesn't have the first, so it does mean they have 5 stars. The first is 6, the second is 5, the third is 6, fourth 5, and so on and so on. I'll have to copy paste this style div 6 times. 3, 4, 6. That's 5. That's 5. That's 6. Okay, that's the first law of the stars. So this law need to be also into another wrapper. I'll call this stars law. Stars law. Like this. And I will have to take my raw stars and put them into this wrapper. Stars row. Low. Display flex and then flex direction. Oh, sorry. Flex direction. This has to be a row. And then let me add a gap to separate the stars. Let me put 10 pixels. The head need to be, I have 9 rows, so I will calculate 100% divided by 2. Divided by 9. So that's the head of one row. let's see what I have here. You see, I have a good low, and on my opinion, it's a good head too. Let's go for the other 6 lows. So the small wrapper, the row here, this one, this one, I can duplicate it, I think 6 times, 9 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, and save. Yes, now I have 9 times the wrapper. So I think I still need some stars here. I will show you why. I just need to add more stars here. I will double. I have 6. If I let me calculate using the frag. I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 per row. I have 6 already. I need to add 5. Oh, sorry. I need to add 5. So that's, yeah, I will add 5 here. 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 I will show you why. 5 here. I will add 5 here. I'll show it. I will add 5 here. Refresh. Sorry, the first one is not done. Yeah, here. Yes, I will add also here. Save and refresh. Okay, now it's okay. The first row has 6 and the second has 5. So I will have to eliminate some stars from the first line. Now let me take the lows from the stars row. Sorry, stars row. Nth child. I need to take old. What does it mean? You know, old is divided by 2. Let me change the background to be the background color to be red. Let's see. You see, background becomes red. Here, let's try to add a color that will not confuse people. Maybe let's do yellow, because we don't have a yellow already. You see, it's like I've selected the first, the 30 and the 4, the 5th and the 7th and the 9th lows. So let me select the even low or even lows. I'll do even. I will try to put here another color. Let me take color we don't have here. This one. Okay, let's see. Voila, say. It's like now I've selected the good colors. So let's now eliminate elements. Now, as you see on the first row, the first star is displayed, the second need to go, the third need to stay, the fourth need to go, and so on. This one, the yellow, is odd. On the odd, we select the even. Even is the 1, 5, and so on. We'll select the star and nth child. We'll take even children, and we will remove their background to make them transparent. Good. Now to the even, we will select nth child odd and remove their backgrounds, make them transparent, so that they cannot be visible. Let's refresh. Voila. I have a problem with what's wrong here. Here. Dun dun. 1, 2, 3 is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I added a lot here. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. I have to move 1, 1, and then refresh. It's okay. We've done it. We've done it with our frag. To add strips, I will add outside the stars container. This one. Outside is here. I will add a red strip and I will add also a white strip. So for this white strip, I need to give them height and width. So what is? I will use a selector which means where is red strip, white strip is red strip. Okay, fine. I have to let me use a background color which is yellow. I need to give it a height. So what is the height of one strip? When you see, I can't know height, so I'll give it a number that is calculated by CSS. I will give the height, the total height of the frag divided by the total number of strips. Then every strip will have equal value and it will be distributed equally on the flag. Let's calculate. Let's calculate the value, of the height divided by the number of strips. Here, this value strips. Let's see. You see how many strips did I have? The height of the frag is 650, the strip is 30. Those are 2 strips. Let me separate these 2 strips. I will take the lead strip and give it a background which is red. Yes. And then I will do the same for the white strip. White. I will give it a white here. White strip. We have now 2 strips. Let me change the color of the frag so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's make the background color to be white. If you refresh, you can add a border to see if the strip is already there. 1 pixel solid gray, like this. Yeah, refresh. You see there is a strip here. So how many strips do we have? We have 13 strips. I will take this, copy, paste. That's 4, 6, 8. That's 10. I will add 1. The last one must go. So I will refresh. I will have really 13 strips, but those strips need to have a position here, position relative, but also the stars container needs to have a position which is absolute. Let's see. You see we have 1 missing strip at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. We still need 2 more strips. So that's 13 strips. It's okay now. We need to bring now in front the container of the source, the stars container, which is now hidden behind those strips. I will add a Z index to the container, to the stars container. Let's add a Z index of let's say 10. Let's see. It's good. Now it's okay. As you see, the height of the stars container is not on the edge of the red strip, while on the frag itself, it has to come until here. So I need to add a half because it's in the middle. So I will have to add a half of a strip to the height of the stars container to be able to reach here. That means it will come a little bit like this. Stars container, add the value, the height a height. It's like it's the same height of the here. The strip. What is a strip? What is a strip? The height of the strip. This value. It's this value. The height of a strip divided by 2. I will take this and put it here. Divided by 2. We need to reduce the number of gap between lows to 5. I will give it container. I will give it 5 here. Gap between low, and I will give yes. I took the head and I reduced it 2 here, so I can. It's good. Oh, align items, center. Voila, c'est. Hey, thank you very much. It was fun. Thank you for being with me. Do subscribe, comment, or share with friends to see more videos like this. Thank you. See you.